Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. And here it is, the newest tablet from Redmi, which is a leading company when it comes to value for money. And we already have the purchase link for it directly in Brazil, tax-free, so you can get it quickly. The link is in the video description. Go ahead and hit like now so you don't forget. Leave your like, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and turn on the notification bell and share this video with your friends and family too, so everyone can get to know this new release too. Alright, and now let's go to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this new release, the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's go to the video, let's do it! Starting the unboxing, it's a white box with the image of the product covering the entire top of the lid, and on the side, a small label with the model and version of the product. Opening the box, we immediately see the tablet. Below that, there's a small box with a quick start guide and warranty certificate. Under the box is an ejector pin, but the device doesn't support a SIM card. Use this pin to open the tray and insert a micro SD card to expand memory. And next to this small box, we have another box with a charging and data transfer cable, USB Type-C on one end and USB-A on the other end. As you know, the European version doesn't include a charger, but it supports up to 33-watt charging. For buyers in Brazil, using the link in the description, the charger is already included in the box. And now with the tablet already in hand, all set up, we have a 12.1-inch low-temperature polycrystalline oxide liquid crystal display in-plane switching screen with over 1 million colors, a refresh rate of 120 Hz and Dolby Vision, and a maximum brightness of 600 nits. It's very convenient to carry, weighs 610 grams, and is 7.5 millimeters thick. Its construction is all metal, both the sides and the back as well. It's really thin and really light for a tablet, okay? Its back is beautiful, clean, and elegant. It truly deserves that classic slap on the back. And on the right side, we have volume up and down, a noise-canceling microphone, and a slot to insert your micro SD card for memory expansion. On the top, there's the power button, and it doesn't have a biometric reader, plus 2 stereo sound outputs. The left side has nothing, it's all smooth. And on the bottom, there are 2 more stereo sound outputs. There are 4 total, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C port for charging and data. It features Bluetooth 5.4 and dual-band Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, it lacks near-field communication for contactless payments. The battery is 12,000 mAh and not silicon carbon, just a standard type. Still, it performed well in my tests. Now let's run Asphalt Legends to show the power of the Snapdragon 7 S Gen 4 4nm processor. Checking the game settings, it suggests that we don't set it to 60 frames per second to avoid the risk of lag. So let's leave it at 30 frames per second and everything else on maximum, okay? Guys, it runs well, but you can notice it has some small lags, guys. And the screen also lacks a bit of brightness and a bit of resolution too. That's because of its liquid crystal display screen and also its processor, which isn't one of the most powerful. Guys, it's a good processor, but it's not for very complicated or heavy tasks. You'll have it for work, presenting projects, school, studying, reading, watching movies and series, using social media, watching videos, and more. In general, it will serve you well. Just don't overload it too much, okay? Unfortunately, it doesn't have any certifications, neither for liquid resistance nor for drop resistance. It doesn't have any protection, so be extra careful with it. As for the operating system, we have Xiaomi HyperOS 2 running with Android 15 on the device. The facial unlock is quite satisfactory, and it doesn't have fingerprint unlock, as I already told you. And there are 2 versions of this tablet, 6 with 128, which is this one, and 8 with 256. Now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys, audio and video test. Volume at maximum. Let's check the quality here. Advanced quality. 2160p, huh? Let's check the brightness. Maximum brightness. Full screen, maximum volume. Guys, there are 4 audio outputs, okay? Look, 1, 2, 4 outputs, okay? The audio is insanely loud. Guys, the screen looks nice, but it's missing a bit of resolution and brightness. No comments on the audio. It's incredibly loud, high quality, and really impressive. Now let's discuss the cameras. Up front is an 8 megapixel camera, recording 1080p full high definition at 30 FPS. Let's look at photos and videos from the front camera. And now here guys, a quick test with the front camera of the Redmi Pad 2 Pro at maximum resolution, full high definition at 30 FPS. It's true that I have proper lighting here, it's well lit, so the quality will be a bit better. But it's a very simple camera for you to take photos and videos, really superficial. Nothing very refined, nothing very professional. Just here to meet an immediate need if you try to take a photo or video with its front camera, okay? Just so you know the quality, here's audio and image capture from the Redmi Pad's front camera 2 Pro. Okay guys, the front camera is nothing special. A very simple, very basic camera just for you to make a video call, have a conference, or take a selfie if needed. But nothing beyond that, a very simple camera. Now let's check the back, which features a single 8-megapixel camera that also records full high definition, 1080p at 30 FPS. Let's check out the results from the rear camera. Check out its videos. And here now guys, the rear camera of the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Taking a shot here, a take of my studio. This is the part I see right in front of me while I'm recording. It's giving off this reflection because of the light here. That's why it looks a bit hazy, okay? But look, let's zoom in here. Let's see if we can do it. We have a 6x zoom, half a dozen, okay? Let's go back here now. It's a pretty basic quality. You won't get anything too advanced, okay? Look, I focused on the tape reels over there. It's still pretty lost. Look, it's not focusing very well. Let me see it now. I focused back there. Ah, on the clock, back there, look. At Echo Studio. Not at Echo Show, sorry, at Echo Show. I focused there. He left. Look how many phones I'm recording with at once. My God. But anyway, that's it, okay guys? Rear camera of the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. A simple quality, a basic camera, but it will solve your problems there. It won't disappoint you. You'll take basic photos and videos in daily life, but nothing advanced, okay? Guys, the rear camera is just as basic as the front. Very simple. It'll save you in an emergency, it'll take a photo when you need it, but there aren't any advanced features. No stabilization or high dynamic range. It's a very basic camera, really just to get you out of a tight spot if you need it at the moment. Now here's my summary and positive points in my opinion. Design, its thickness, it's very thin, its weight too, it's really light for a tablet, and its battery is also performing well. And for the negative points, in my opinion, the screen left a bit to be desired. It could have a little more brightness and a bit more resolution as well. Actually, it would have to be an active matrix organic light-emitting diode screen to deliver that to us in a simpler way, right? In a better way. It also lacks a slot for mobile data connection. You can't insert a SIM card, only Wi-Fi connection. And I'll also miss having near-field communication to make contactless payments. The processor is also a very average one, just basic, and the cameras are also very basic. They could be better. And finally, the price at which it's being sold right now in Brazil. At the moment I'm recording this video, it's around 2,000 reais, which I think is a lot. For this tablet here, its price shouldn't go over, in my opinion, 1,200 reais. That would be a good price for this tablet. Above that, I already think it's something that doesn't match what the product delivers to you. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. Is the tablet good, bad, or decent? What do you think makes it worth it and what doesn't? Is the price good? Did you like the video? Leave a like, it's important. Also check your subscription and notifications. Please share to help out, okay? We're in this together. Thank you, God bless. Big hugs, see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.